Tony.
Mr. Tony, yes. So today we are we will talk sea animals, right? Okay. So do you remember today and you go to the beach and we get so many sea animals? Can you tell someone which one we get in something in this picture? Which one we get today? A starfish, clams,
Shrimp and crab.
Crab and shrimp. Must be shrimp, right?
Yes.
Oh.
What's shrimp?
Okay.
I don't see jellyfish.
Yeah, jellyfish.
I don't see meat. Do you?
We don't get the jellyfish, right?
No, I can't see jellyfish.
You can see jellyfish. Cannot.
Because it's not today.
Today.
Not today. Not today.
I know. So today, how many shrimp you have today? 22 shrimp you have
Yes.
today. Oh.
But mommy say 20.
20? Oh.
No. Mommy say 20, but now it's 22.
Alright, 22, 20 is very good job for you already, right? You get so many. Can you and after that, when you get the shrimp, the mommy cook for you, right?
Yes, this is very delicious.
Wow, very delicious fruit, right?
Yes.
So the shrimp fry a little bit with oil, right? Oil, and you are very happy with that food, right?
Yes.
Do you remember? And how which tune we get the shrimp? Do you remember? The thing same the piton, right? The tune same the piton, right?
Oh, very.
Very easy to get the seed, but you try to get the sheep, but very make you have to use a hand, right? But can you describe to someone how we can get the sheep?
Very fast.
Very fast, little very fast. Yes, very fast.
Tired.
And tired also, right? And when you get the sheep, the people have to put it down, right?
Yes.
And get. Wow, nice. And how we catch the snail? You remember?
Ooh, the snail.
Yes. You want to get the snail?
Look that, not that.
Yeah.
Not this.
Yeah.
This big.
When the sand
Okay. The shell.
when the sand a little bit upper,
Yeah.
so you use a spoon to.
Make the shell.
Yeah.
Little shell. Snail is
Yes.
in the tree.
Snail in the tree?
No. Snail and shell is not same. Snail is look like the snail in the tree. The shell is shell. The shell in the beach.
Yeah, I know. So the shell is the same clam like this, right?
No, clam is very
Wow. Oh, you mean the clam is big one, right? The shell is small one and the clam is big one.
No, shell is it. Shell is it, but the clam is.
Understand. Alright. So today you're very happy and you go to the sea and we get so many
And now let's
sea
check it
animals,
out.
right?
Seahorse?
Oh.
What?
Oh, this one is seahorse. Yes.
What?
Actually, can you tell someone the seahorse? Where you see it and how can you get it?
I think it's in the.
Yeah, I can see the
I don't know.
camera. Because you never see it before, right?
Yet.
After, but in the sea.
But I can see in the television.
You see on the television already, right?
Oh, when my drink water. No.
No, it's like wow, drink and eat a lot. That's why you're very fat.
Oh man.
Okay, how about the next one? Here, crab. How about the next one?
Octopus.
Octopus. And where you see octopus?
Oh, in the beach.
On the beach. You remember the last time you go?
Oh, I can see. Okay, let's go.
You remember? And you go to Đồi Nhái, right? So,
Yes.
So you see the
octopus,
right? Wow.
And we say pow, pow, pow.
Yeah, you take out the ink, right? Yeah, you take out the ink.
The ink like this.
Yeah, the ink like this. Take out the ink and he goes up, the octopus go white. That's right?
Yes.
How about this one?
Lobster?
Yes, lobster. You try to eat it, but
no, I can see.
Yes, you
This
can see.
is so big and very big.
Wow, very big. Stream right.
And the big.
Yes. Now the lobster very big, right?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. So this one very delicious.
Yes.
And you can try next time. Okay? Deal. Alright. So the next one, can you tell us one?
Clams.
Yes, clams. But you get already. How to see it?
No, I can see.
Yeah.
It's today.
Yes. And today you get already, right? Today you get already, right?
Now what I have in here is little shell.
Yeah, little shell.
And here.
Yeah. Right. Wow. Wow, nice. Okay, how about the next one?
Sea turtle.
Sea turtle, yes.
Ninja turtle.
Oh, Ninja Turtle, the film movie, the cartoon movie you very love, right?
Yes.
Can you tell someone about this film you very love? Can you tell someone?
No, this is a movie.
Yes, a movie. Can you tell someone about the movie?
It's happening in Leonardo.
Yes, Leonardo. And which person?
Donatello.
Yes.
Raphael. And Michelangelo.
Michael. Wow.
Michelangelo.
Yes. So the have a four turtle, right?
Yes.
Ninja Turtle, and you really love the four turtle, right? Wow. Nice. Wow. Yes. Not put in my face because maybe I cannot see anything. Alright? So, okay. How about the next one?
Starfish?
Yes, starfish.
Oh, today I can see the starfish.
Yeah, you can tell someone.
He is very big.
Yes.
And he looks like the star.
Yes, very beautiful, right?
But he eat right.
Yeah.
I don't know what he eat. Right.
The color, you mean color, right?
Yes, color right.
Yes.
Right.
Wow. Okay, how about the next one? The
jellyfish.
Oh, jellyfish.
The fish look like jelly, but
Yeah.
is it very dangerous?
Wow, why is dangerous?
Because and very
it's really insect in the skin, and you have to crash like this, and
yes, and very crash,
and it's very nice. Burn the skin, right? Wow. Then dangerous, right? How about the next one? So you can see someone.
Dolphin?
Yes, dolphin.
Oh.
Just one.
Yeah.
Yes. How did you see the dolphin?
Oh, I can see in the television. He's
Television.
very dizzy.
Wow, very naughty.
No.
He can. Some person can teach how to.
He's
to
very good swimming and
good.
playing in
Yeah.
the water.
Yes, very good. Wow. You very well, right? How about the next one? Sweet.
Oh, he looks like octopus.
Look
But
like
he
octopus.
has that.
Yes, correct. They have some. There's a. How can you call this one?
And he can. But now it.
Well, so he have so many things like this. So many maybe you can leg like this. So many legs like this. But you can eat this one, right?
Yes. Ooh, very delicious.
Yes, you can tell someone.
Oh, I can see.
Yes.
You and me
Yes.
go to 5 p.m. in one day.
Yes.
I think this is have the Rạng Xanh
Yes.
and Sò Mai
Yes.
and
yes,
very sweet.
Very sweet, right?
Yes.
Yeah, like that. Yes, very nice. How about this one? Crab. Oh, wow! Come on, come on, come on! Why it does my body like this? Because the crab cannot.
I am crazy guy.
Crazy crab? Wow! Naughty, naughty crab! Come on! Because the crab, when you the crab cut inside.
Oh,
very
I can
dangerous.
see the crab.
Yes. Where?
It's very yellow.
Yeah.
Today, eat.
Yeah. Me? Yellow?
No.
You want to eat me?
He can swim it.
Yes.
And he can.
Right. Nice. How was the next one?
Shark.
Wow. Wow. Kangaroos animal, right?
Yes.
Yes.
It's very big. What
Yes.
I can do is the shark.
Yeah.
This is 1,000 million. 1,000 million. 1,000 million.
Vietnam đồng, right? USD.
No.
Dollars.
No. The 100.
The kilogram, huh?
No. 100 octopus eating.
Wow.
Eating máu.
Wow. Blood, right?
Yes.
Wow.
And he eating.
Wow. So it's very dangerous animal, right?
No. I have one little can eat that.
Wow.
It's jellyfish.
Oh.
It's very dangerous like that.
Yes.
You eat that. It's very.
Maybe cannot eat this animal.
And he.
Yeah. So the shark eats the jellyfish, right?
No. The jellyfish eat that.
Wow. Wow. I never see before. Yes.
It's very dangerous.
Yes,
It's
the
very
dangerous.
dangerous.
Yes.
But not dangerous.
Yes.
Because it's don't like eating fish.
Ah, nice.
With oil.
Wow.
He don't like eat oil because oil is for the car or the motorbike.
The oil for the motorbike only, not for the to eat, right?
Yes. Little.
Sheep.
See?
Yes. Have you seen the scene?
Oh, I can see the TV scene. He go to the.
Can you see the camera?
I can go to the winner and blue. It's in the bucket.
Not the. But you remember and you go to the Saigon Zoo? Maybe you see it one already.
Oh,
right?
He eat fish.
Yeah, he eats fish. Yes.
He don't like eat both fish.
Both fish.
It's very sharp.
Very sharp, right? Yeah.
And hunter.
Oh really?
Yes.
Oh, by the way.
I want one more time.
Oh, shark in here and it's stuck in the leg, right? So you cannot
I can eat now.
Yeah. Wow, so I have to just too much, right?
Oh, too much is. Oh, I think this is very delicious. I think this is blowfish.
Yeah.
Owen.
So okay.
Owen.
Okay. So all the animals, sea animal, which one do you like the most? Which one? You like which animal you like the most? Why you very well? Crab?
Yes.
Why you like crab?
Very naughty.
Oh my God! You very naughty, but the crab not naughty.
No, the crab look like very naughty.
Wow.
Cut the feet, cut the head, and cut your nose, and cut your ear.
Wow, you have cut my ears, right?
And cut your head.
Yes, I think so. Alright, so today the topic is maybe what animal here most thing we tell about it already.
In the sea.
Yeah, in sea animal. And okay, so finish and you can buy someone and see you next session.
Let's go.